Today I'm going to show you how to edit the background in Microsoft Edge in just a few simple clicks. This is a quick way to personalize your homepage and make your browser feel a lot more like your own. Whether you want a cleaner look, a more colorful design, or just a fresh new style, changing the background is easy once you know where to find the setting. If this tutorial helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge and go to the homepage. On the homepage, look for the page settings icon, which looks like a small gear in the top right area of the screen. This is where you can customize the way your Edge homepage appears. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open the page settings menu. Once the settings panel opens, look for the option that says Edit Background. Click on Edit Background, and this will take you to the background customization options. From there, you will see a selection of available backgrounds you can choose from. These may include different colors, images, or design styles depending on your version of Edge and your current settings. Now simply click on the background you want to use. As soon as you select it, Edge will apply the new background to your homepage, and you should see the change right away. If you want to try a different look later, you can always come back to the same page settings menu and switch it again anytime. That's all it takes to edit the background in Edge. It only takes a few seconds, but it can make your browser feel much more customized and visually appealing. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.